Hi, I'm Dylan. I teach restorative yoga here at Desert Song Healing Arts Center every Sunday at 4 p.m. and I want to share with you one of my favorite yoga poses for restorative. And my setup is fairly simple. I just have my mat, a blanket on top, and 2 extra blankets. And the way you get into legs up the wall is you bring one hip against the wall, and then you're just going to swing your legs up. There. You can maybe shimmy closer to the wall. Your arms will come to the side. If your legs feel like they're going to spread apart, you can always take that second blanket and place it on your feet and just snug them in. And then I also have my eye pillow that I'm going to place on my eyes just for a little bit more comfort. But you can always use a soft cloth. Hands open towards the offerings of the universe. And I'm just going to stay here for 5 minutes just to start. Gradually building up to a little bit longer. And the benefits of legs up the wall is it helps reduce swelling in the legs. If you've been standing all day and you're tired. It also kicks in the parasympathetic system, which is the rest and digest system, and it makes more efficient our digestion, our elimination, and reproduction of the body. So again, we're going to stay here and just breathe and enjoy the pose. And that's legs up the wall. Thank you very much.